Over on the road.
No, it's not dead.
And it's not at all dead. And it's not a rattler. And it's going up into the bush. And it's curling up, ready to strike. Yes, he bit it twice. Yes, 3 times. You want me to move? This guy is aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah, but I touched his tail, and that's when he whipped it back. He could tell it was a
Hand.
hand.
Okay. Well, I'm ready to be done. So yeah, that turned out pretty good.
I don't know where he went.
I know, that's why I got down. I didn't know if he was ahead of me or behind me. Well, what did we get?
Well,
Some hopefully good footage, and hopefully I wasn't shaking all over the place when he struck the camera, because it scared the crap out of me.
yeah, dude, he's a pretty aggressive guy, man. Like I bumped him.
Oh yeah, me too, with my hands. And the GoPro. Scared the heck out of me. Oh no! That's even worse. Oh no. Oh. We saved most of the bag though. That's good.
You know?
Oh man. Oh. Yeah, good. Get that.